This YouTube channel is making a huge amount of money by creating simple kids learning videos. They use 2D animations, and some of their popular videos have received over 47 million views. If we check their channel on Social Blade, they have more than 1 million subscribers, and their estimated monthly income ranges from $8.1 thousand to $130,000, which is incredible. You can also create similar videos with the help of AI in just a few minutes. If you want to make money online now, one good way is by running YouTube automation channels without showing your face, like this channel does. It's a great way to earn income without actively doing much, right? In today's video, I'll demonstrate how to make an animated educational video for kids using AI. I'll break down the video into 5 parts, so be sure to watch until the end. Without delay, let's get started. Begin by connecting the voiceover to Chat GPT. It's a handy and free tool. Now, choose a topic for your video. Today, let's talk about sea animals. Ask Chat GPT to help create a script for your video. Before you provide a prompt, make sure it's not something common like write a kid's story. Using such common prompts can lead to everyone making the same story, risking demonetization for their YouTube channels. Make sure to give Chat GPT a clear prompt for distinct results. For instance, ask for a story like, please write me a video script for an education video for kids describing a shark, an octopus, and sea turtle, and their features. Wait a moment. Oh, Somi. Once the script is ready, copy and paste it into a document. Now, let's add a professional voiceover using 11 Labs. Copy and paste the script we received from ChatGPT into 11 Labs. Select the voice, then click the Generate button, and let 11 Labs create the voiceover. Once it's done, take a moment to listen and ensure it meets your expectations.
Hello, young explorers. Welcome to Under the Sea Explorers.
If it sounds good, go ahead and download the voiceover file. Repeat these steps for the entire script to maintain a consistent narration for the entire video. Let's create an animated background. We'll be using freepix.com for this step. Open the website, enter a search term, select AI images, and begin by selecting a background that suits your video. Now, let's make our background more interesting using LeiaPix. If you want your background to look alive, LeiaPix can help with that. Just open LeiaPix and upload the background you made earlier in Freepix. With this tool, you can make the things in your background move. Try different settings until you like how it moves. That's great. Now let's talk about video quality. Instead of downloading the video like usual, I suggest recording your screen while the animation is playing. This way, you can capture the animation in better quality. Now that you have your good quality recording, go back to Canva. Put the recorded video there and start putting in all the other things you want in your video. This is where you can be creative. Add pictures, things, animations, anything that makes it a better learning experience for the young viewers. Remember to put in the voiceover we made earlier. That way, each animal gets introduced at the right time. When you're happy with how everything looks, it's time to download the video with the moving background. Let's make our video more interesting by adding a talking character. For animated characters, we recommend using Adobe Express. Get the link in description, choose a character. I've picked Finn for our video. Customize it by enabling a green screen background and selecting a suitable size for YouTube. Now import the voiceover audio clips we made earlier, and your character will come to life. Once you're happy with the result, download the animated character video. This will be valuable for the next steps. With the animated character and background ready, let's bring everything together using a video editing tool like Capcut. Import all the generated files, background video, character video, and voiceover. Arrange them on the timeline in the order you want them to appear. To avoid audio overlap, mute one of the files. Use the chroma key effect to remove the green screen background from the character video, blending it seamlessly with the animated background. Resize and position the character on the screen as needed, ensuring it doesn't block any important visuals. Now, you've created your first AI animated video. Check it and make sure everything looks good. If you're satisfied, you can upload it to your YouTube channel. Creating educational content is important, and it's a good idea to maintain high quality for your videos. Follow these steps for each video, and remember to be creative. Creating a new YouTube channel, naming it as you like, and uploading your videos will help you grow your educational kids channel. Don't overthink it. Just be creative. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Please like and subscribe if you found this helpful. It'll help me provide more valuable ideas on making money with simple steps. Thank you for watching.